Good morning, guys. It's a bright Sunday morning. You can hear the background noise. Ni ya makanisa. So I'll be showing you how to light a Jiko, charcoal Jiko using the candle. So this is my charcoal, the box I will be using. The sufuria, I'm yet to buy a pot. And so on my first apartment, I had to carry with me some grains because I love githeri, and also for the green grams for rice. So huwezi pika easy grains with the gas. Yeah, so we have to save on cost ya hiyo refill. So yeah, let's do this. Yeah. Let's get started. Yeah, so guys, prepare my today's meal with me, what I'm gonna eat today. Yeah, so we're going to remove easy. In Kikamba they say kunyuva, so you get what doesn't yani yenye ifai kuwa hapo. Yeah, you chuck them off. Yeah, so this means, and this is, hebu mniambie, mimi sijui kwa kizungu, ni brown, ini brown ma red. Let's get started anyway.